in Africa, infectious diseases remain the leading cause of morbidity and mortality in the population. But non-communicable diseases are starting to catch up with infectious disease and even surpass. It is estimated that by 2030, non-communicable diseases will present the greatest burden on health on the continent. We are using two main approaches, the research and the training or capacity building. We are going to use advanced molecular methods and cellular approaches. So we are seeking to understand disease mechanisms, whether infectious disease or non-communicable disease, by looking at what happens at the cellular and the molecular level. For the infectious disease, we'll be studying pathogen biology and trying to understand how the pathogens cause disease and how we can use that knowledge to develop new and better diagnostics, new targets for vaccines, and identify potential pathways for drug interventions. On the non-communicable disease side, we will use genetic approaches to try to identify genetic signatures or markers that are associated with certain diseases or which run through certain families. These can be the basis for developing early diagnosis, which is crucial for determining the outcome of non-communicable diseases. So that's for the research side. Then we have the capacity building and the training, where we identify some of the best young scientists on the continent, and then we provide them with the skills and the tools that are necessary to undertake research and to also contribute to public health interventions in their various countries. The research is also getting more exciting because we are asking new research questions, especially now with the opportunity to look at the interaction between infectious disease and non-communicable diseases. We get the opportunity to study the interactions between these two and see how infectious agents could precipitate or accelerate the development of non-communicable diseases. We want an Africa which is doing cutting-edge science with young people leading science, developing new innovations in health, including diagnostics, developing new drugs, developing new vaccines, so that when we have the next pandemic, we'll be developing our own vaccines. Who knows, maybe the next emerging pathogen would be from Africa and we will be the first to respond.